What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Key, aka Sneak Killer 215, and today we're back with another video, man. And listen, this video, man, shit, I don't know. I'm gonna keep this real short. But before I even start this video, man, can you guess what it is? I'm gonna just show you the box real quick. Can you guess what it is? You see that little hole right there? See that little air vent hole right there? Okay, can you guess what it is? All right, man. But before I start this video, man, I want to give a huge thank you to Nike for real, because when these dropped on the 9th, I think it dropped, it sold out before I could even get my hands on them, right, on the sneakers app. But luckily for me, I went on Nike.com, well, not Nike.com, but the Nike app. I logged in and I seen this popped up message saying congratulations, one of the few VIPs. I guess Nike, you know what I'm saying? I guess that they locking in, I guess. So huge thank you to Nike, man. Without them, I wasn't gonna get my hands on these, to be honest with you. I don't know if they're sitting in stores or nothing like that, because I haven't really been going to malls. Haven't really been shopping. Haven't really copped anything new besides these bad boys here, you know. But yeah, man, so we won these. I paid like $240 for them. I won't really say I won, but I want to pass to get these because they sold out everywhere. So thank you, Nike. And so yeah, these are the Air Jordan 11. Gratitude, man. So speaking of gratitude, thank you again to Nike, man. Yeah. So yeah, that VIP pass really came in handy, man. All right, so we open it. We got a boom. Look at that. We got a thank you, Nike. You feel me? This video is not sponsored, by the way. So yeah, here we go. A nice white paper. I don't know if you can tell, but it says thank you in every different language. Like it says gracias. I don't know. That's the first thing that popped up to me. It says thank you on all in different languages on the little tissue paper or whatever. But yeah, man, here we go. Thank you, Nike. Man, look at this. Look at that. I'm gonna get it out the box, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like in the box. Oh, you feel me? Yeah. This came straight from Nike. This is not StockX or GOAT. You feel me? This is straight from Nike.com, man. Look at that shine in that leather. Look at that shine, baby. Look at that shine. See right there? Yeah. Oh yeah. See that little ring? Yeah. All fancy. By the way, little disclaimer, everything I own, every shoe you see on this channel is real. No fake, none of that. You feel what I'm saying? I don't want nobody thinking that, you know, I review fake stuff or replicas. I don't review replicas, okay? But look at this. That's the air vent right there. It's a little different box than usual. You feel me? A little pull action to pull it up. You feel me? But yeah, let's get into the shoe, man. Beautiful shoe, very sturdy looking. This leather look different. It's not like regular patent leather. You feel me? I think this is regular leather. They just probably, I don't know. But if you have these in your hands, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, look at this leather quality, man. Very dope. Very beautiful shoe. Can't go wrong with this ever, you know. The little 2006 DMP pack version that came out, man. This remind me of that. I was a kid, couldn't get them, but got these. You feel me? 2023, man. Caught these, man. I paid $240, like I said, baby. Like, damn. Look at the bottom of this. Speechless. If you didn't get your hands on these, I think they released like 1 million copies or whatever. But yeah, man. Thank you again to Nike for actually sending me that VIP pass for actually, you know, I'm glad I actually stepped on the app right after I realized that they sold out on the sneakers app. Man, I can't stop looking at this. Look at the shine. They're almost like a flashback of the ones that dropped in 1995, the Concords. Okay, if you remember those, then you know these shoes will actually speak to you. You feel what I'm saying? If you love those, these actually speak to you. Look at that 23 in the back. But yeah, and then fast forward like 2006, they dropped the DMP packed. Also, like this remind me of those. And I think these also had another version that came out with like a soft pink on the bottom. The soles were actually pink on the other version that came out. I don't know if those were specifically for females or not, but yeah, if you know, let me know in the comments. I'm so stoked to have my hands on these. You feel what I'm saying? We got the whole upper here is leather. One thing I know that they replaced or changed over here is the lace loops. You see what I'm saying? For example, look right here. You see what I'm saying? on the red cherries, you see how the lace loops looks? It's like a fabric material. Over here on the Gratitude, we have a leather material right there. You feel what I'm saying? So, and underneath that we have tumble leather. Obviously, beautiful, beautiful, soft tumble leather action. Also, the tongue action is also tumble leather. Okay. And then we have over here, see right there on the tongue, it says Jumpman Jordan. Feel me? Yeah, with the little Jumpman right there. You feel me? Gold action, man. Gold action. See, look, the left pair got the Jordan man right, man. The jump pair, you see that? The Jumpman look right. You feel what I'm saying? On the left pair. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but if you know what I'm talking about, if you know, you know. You feel me? The left pair look just right. You feel what I'm saying? Got the 23 on the back right there. Beautiful shoe. Okay, you got the patent leather, black all over. So we have this white midsole going right here, all around that. See that white action on that midsole? It might get dirty if you don't take care of it. Maybe you double up, maybe you got 2 pairs of these. I only have 1 pair of these, so I'm just gonna keep this in the collection until I get my hands on another pair that I can be able to rock comfortably. But yeah, little midsole action, white, okay. On the bottom, you know what I'm saying? On the bottom right here, man, look at the traction, look at the traction, look at the traction. You got a translucent rubber right there. You feel what I'm saying? That little translucent rubber, ooh. Little traction on the toe, traction on the heel. You feel me? Got the Jumpman in the middle right there. And underneath that, we have the carbon fiber right there, carbon plate right there. You feel what I'm saying? Beautiful shoe, man. The design, the craft in this shoe is legendary, iconic. You can't take it away from this shoe, man. If you didn't get your hands on these shoes, man, StockX still have them, I think. Goat have them too. So yeah, dope shoe, man. If you want them and it's sold out everywhere in your location, I'm pretty sure they have them in stores. Like I said in my previous video, like now is the good time to get into sneakers. Inside of this shoe, right? So I forgot to mention, if you take it out, you got a tissue paper on the inside, and then over here we have a 23 in there. Okay, and on the back of the tongue, got a Jumpman with some lettering. I think it says "Thank You" or something, you know. Beautiful shoe, beautiful 11. Yeah, keep your eyes open. See, size 9.5 tag in there, so you know this is size 9.5, my size. These run true to size, so I would recommend you go true to size when you're copping up. If you want to, you can cop up a half a size, because sometimes if you have flat feet like me, your toe action right here, your pinky toe might be squishing up or something, you know. So but yeah, just go half a size up if you're, you know, skeptical or whatever. But I feel as though these are true to size, you know. I know they run true to size. All my 11s ran true to size for me, you know what I mean. And I have a few out here. But yeah, if you interested in seeing the amount we have, just go ahead, check the video out. I do got a part 3 dropping, okay? So these will be added to the list. I do got a part 3 dropping, okay? So stay tuned for that. I just had to get this video out of the way because, man, look at that shoe! You feel me? Look at this shoe, man. Can't go wrong with it. Black and white, Panda style. Panda. I got bras in Atlanta. Just as all day with the fam. Credit cards and the scam. Alright, man, come on. So hit your boy with some likes, follow, all of that good stuff, man. And stay tuned for whatever else we have coming on this channel. Okay, we have a lot of surprises coming. We're changing the whole background. Like I said, just stay tuned. We got some stuff on Amazon that's supposed to be coming, and they're taking their own time. So Amazon, y'all gotta stop. See what I'm saying? See, Nike already locked in. You know what I'm saying? They're giving me VIP passes and stuff like that. Amazon, what's up with y'all? What y'all doing? Y'all ain't lock in. Y'all ain't staying tuned. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all playing around. Amazon, stop playing with me. But yeah, man, as soon as Amazon stop playing with us, we gonna have the background changed up. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, it's been your boy Key Sneak Killer 215. Stay tuned for the on feet action right now. Oh shit, right now. These are amazing.
Static got the sauce.